Hello, I'm Danny and welcome to BHP Cars, and today's going to be a very quick update. But the reason why I'm very slow updating is because of these bastards. So as time of editing this, we're on about episode 8 of the Mojo build, and that's winter. Got lots of videos scheduled, etc., as you would have watched by the time you get to this stage. But yeah, so the reason why it's very slow updating is because of my bees. I've got lots of bees, and they are keeping me very busy, as you can see. Look. Ooh. So yeah, so that's what I've been doing. Obviously, messing around in the garden. I've got a bench to make and planted raspberries and all sorts. So you're not interested in that. It was a car channel, so let's just move on. But yeah, the reason why I'm doing this video today is because we have stripped the Focus. Now you remember the Focus was a lovely 30,000 mile car, and well, this is it now. So I've taken these alloys off. I was kindly donated some shit wheels by someone who was scrapping them, and this is how the Focus is going to the scrap man tomorrow. So I've taken everything off I can either sell or use. You can see the engine is completely out. There's nothing else underneath I need. I drained the fuel out the other day. Power steering pump's not interested in that rubbish. The effort it takes to take it out is not worth it. So yeah, so we've got a local scrap car vehicle dismantling company turning up tomorrow. Take it away, it doesn't cost you anything. They get to weigh the car in, they make the 20-30 quid or whatever, and yeah, all is well. So yeah, this is quite good because I kind of get my yard back and my neighbours don't have to stare at a shitty car for the next, you know, it's been here, you know, since January at the least. So yeah, so this is good. As you can see, I had to cut that out purely because I couldn't get my head in down there to get things down. And I was going to do the video on stripping all this out, but frankly there's no point. It's just my arse on show all the time. So yeah, so tomorrow this will be gone, and then we'll be back in the garage. Now I'm going to be embarrassed when I show you this. 4 alloy wheels for selling. I want some comments below. Yes, this is my garage at the moment. It's a bit chaotic and it's a bit run down. I've got new exhaust and lots of stuff going on, but I am very busy at the moment. I'm stretched to the max. But yeah, so that's kind of what's going on. A very short update, but it's still an update nonetheless, just to prove I'm still alive. So thanks for watching. Please smash the fuck out the like button, please subscribe and all that crap, and I will catch you all in the next video. Thanks, bye.